our first workshop. There is actually 7 days international workshop, and the topic is research methodology and applied statistics using SPSS, in which is going to held from 22nd July to 28th July, and the session timing will be from 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. And I would like to mention here, this workshop is the paid one. So for this workshop you have to pay 199 rupees, and the last date of registration is 21st July 9 am, and which is going to organized by DPSS Rajiv Gandhi Knight College of Arts and Commerce, Mumbai, in association with scoreachiever.com. Our next workshop, that is actually 1 week online workshop, and the topic is data manipulation and visualization through statistical software R, which is going to held from 27th July to 31st July, and the last date of registration is 25th July, and which is going to organized by Zakir Hussain College, Delhi. Our next workshop, that is on personality development, which is going to held from 21st July to 25th July, and this workshop is the paid one. So for this workshop you have to pay 150 rupees, and which is going to organized by Focus Frame and Achieve Academy. Our next workshop, that is on empirical research tools and techniques, which is going to held on 30th July from 10:30 am to 12:30 pm, and the last date of registration is 28th July, and which is going to organized by Zeba Center for Research, Xavier Institute of Business Administration. So our next workshop, that is actually 3 days online workshop, and the topic is machine vision, which is going to held from 27th July to 29th July, and this workshop is the paid one. So if you are a UG or PG student, you have to pay 500 rupees, and if you are a PhD student or faculty member, you have to pay 1000 rupees, and if you are an industry person, you have to pay 1500 rupees. And the objective of this workshop is to create awareness among academia, industry, skill development in machine vision, exploration of new applications of machine vision, to motivate the research in the field of machine vision. So these are the few objectives of this workshops, and which is going to organized by NIT Jamshedpur. Our next workshop, that is actually 5-day online workshop, and the topic is nanotechnology and nanomaterial for interdisciplinary applications, which is going to held from 27th July to 31st July, and the last date of registration is 27th July, and this workshop is the paid one. So for this workshop you have to pay 500 rupees, and which is going to organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, MANIT, Bhopal. So our next workshop, that is actually 1 week online workshop. The topic is interdisciplinary approach of tribology in engineering and biomedical research, and which is going to held from 4th August to 8th August, and the last date of registration is 1st August, and there is no registration fees for this workshop, and which is going to organized by NIT Silchar. So our next workshop is on standards driven research and innovation in India, which is going to held on 28th July, and there is no registration fees for this workshop, and which is going to organized by IIT Bhilai. Our next workshop, that is on how to be super successful in life, which is going to held on 23rd July from 11 am to 12 noon, and there is no registration fees for this workshop, and which is going to organized by Department of Management Studies, Nehru Institute of Information Technology and Management, Coimbatore. Our next workshop, there is 1-day online workshop, and the topic is Internet of Things with ESP32 Arduino, which is going to held on 22nd July from 12 noon onwards, and there is no registration fees for this workshop, which is going to organized by Department of Lifelong Learning and Extension, Sant Gaj Baba Amravati University. Our next workshop, that is on data analysis with pandas and NumPy, which is going to held on 21st July and 22nd July from 2 pm to 3:30 pm, and there is no registration fees for this workshop, and which is going to organized by School of Information Technology, Institute of Management Studies, IMS, Noida. So our next workshop, that is going to be organized by 85 Group, and actually they are conducting 3 workshops. Okay, so first workshop is on StatPro V8i on 25th July. Second workshop is on project management, and which is going to held on 30 and 31st July, and the third workshop, that is ETAPS, and which is going to held on 1st and 2nd August. So there is no registration fees for this workshop, and all the 3 workshops is going to organized by Edifice Group. So our next workshop, that is actually 2 days national level workshop. The topic is Introduction to Blockchain, which is going to held on 29th July and 30th July from 11 am to 1 pm, and which is going to organized by Department of Information Technology, Army Institute of Technology, Pune. So our next workshop, that is actually 3 days international virtual workshop for teachers. The topic is how to make interactive videos without recording flip plan or teach your classes online, which is going to held from 26th July to 28th July, and which is going to organized by Global Teacher Educator. Our next workshop, that is on e-content development for digital learning, which is going to held from 27th July to 29th July, which is going to organized by SSN College of Engineering, Kalavakkam. So our next workshop, that is actually 2 days workshop. The topic is MS Excel and SPSS, which is going to held on 26th July and 2nd August from 9 am to 5 pm. And this workshop is the paid one. So for this workshop you have to pay 600 rupees, and which is going to organized by Eruditus Training Foundation. Our next workshop, that is on contemporary teaching and assessment techniques, which is going to held from 4th August to 8th August, and the session timing will be from 2:30 pm to 4:30 pm. And this workshop is again the paid one. So for this workshop you have to pay 1000 rupees, and which is going to organized by Navrachna University. So our next workshop, that is actually 4 days online workshop, and the topic is NAAC assessment for better scoring, which is going to held from 27 July to 30 July from 11 am to 1 pm, and which is going to organized by St. Francis de Sales College, Nagpur. So our next workshop, that is actually the last one. The topic is e-learning as a tool to reduce gap between teacher and taught in this tough time of COVID-19, which is going to held on 23rd and 24th July from 11 am to 3:30 pm, and which is going to organized by Shiva College of Education, Himachal Pradesh. So friends, this is what all about upcoming online workshop. Friends, I have mentioned registration link for all the workshops in the description box. You can register for this workshop. So friends, still if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, share with your friends, as well press the bell button. So whenever we'll upload our next video, you will get the notification. Thank you.